I'm an engineer with the USDA's Natural Resources Conservation Service. I work with farms and private landowners to solve problems, helping them diagnose issues and develop solutions. We help design and implement structures and systems to make operations more environmentally and economically sustainable. I love working with our producers to protect our natural resources and help their operations thrive. And you can't beat the office space. Every day is different, and I make a difference every day. Come join our team. NRCS, your field, your world, your future.